Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is October 25th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 14 3/4 points to 26.79 1/4 per contract. You're going to see that the futures have started to pull back just a little bit here from the morning highs, but they were absolutely pummeled yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, the S&P 500 finished down about 85 points, so today's little rebound of about 14 points really doesn't make all that much of a difference. I think traders should take note that this market continues to remain under pressure. Now, we have lots of earnings coming out. We'll see how it plays out, but you also have Italian bond yields roaring and soaring. You also have a trade war going on in China and a whole lot of other stuff. So again, we are in the midst of a major correction, and we'll see how it plays out. But to see a gap up this morning really does not tell me that these market lows are in. We really need to see a gap down, if you ask me. So again, futures right now up 13 points. We'll be keeping an eye on them, and we'll see how they play out. But nonetheless, the market is still under a lot of turmoil at this stage of the game. All right, let's get started with earnings here. We got a lot on the board. Microsoft is up first. They reported earnings yesterday after the closing bell. Stock closed at 102.38. It's trading at 105.48. So we're not going to make too much out of it right now. Microsoft with a nice little bounce, but I'm not sure if it will even hold. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. There's really nothing I would do here one way or the other. Let's see how this opens up. Yesterday, we had an awesome day in the intraday stock chat room yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon, we saw a complete washout sell-off, waterfall sell-off, I should say, going into the closing bell. So we'll see what today brings. AMD is up also with earnings. Looks like the stock is selling off by more than 20%. Closed at $22.79. Today it's trading at $18.06. I'm going to have gap levels ready to go for AMD. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. This stock will be in play. So again, Advanced Micro Devices in play today after earnings. Let's take a look at Twitter. TWTR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $30.59. Closed at $29.54. So Twitter's getting a nice little uptick. I still, despite the uptick today in Twitter, and it's a decent move here, I was still looking for Twitter to ultimately go lower. So be a little bit careful there. When I look at the upside right now, if it rallies up to around $32 and then more around $33.15, there's a lot of resistance in play. So keep that on the radar today. Let's look at FFIV, which is F5. What you're going to see here, stock is trading at 170, closed at 161.53. Nice little pop there for F5. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. I have to think we have a fair amount of resistance right at this current level on an intraday time frame. Overall, though, we'll see what it does here, if it can move up a little bit more. Again, the market moves will definitely affect stock, so you got to be careful there. Let's take a look at Comcast. CMCSA is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting a little bit of a pop, closed at $34.10. Now trading at $35.54. That was actually up around 36 earlier. Again, 37 would be a big resistance level today for Comcast. Let's take a look at Xilinx. Ticker symbol is XLNX. This stock right now trading at $77.30. Closed at $69.10. Good little pop there for Xilinx today. That's definitely a strong move all the way back up to its daily chart 20 moving average. Again, a lot more resistance around the $80 level if it can get there. But nonetheless, this is an impressive pop. If you own this, protect it. If you don't own it, just leave it alone for now. We'll look at it and re-examine it once the opening bell rings. Let's go over to American Airlines. Stock is getting a good little pop today. This is on the back of earnings, I believe. Closed at $30.33. Now trading at $32.16. Full disclosure, I do own call options in American. We'll see how that plays out today. Let's take a look at LUV, which is Southwest Airlines. Ticker symbol is LUV. Stock right now is trading at $50.49, closed at $54.50. There's definitely going to be some support around this $50 area. You also have a weekly 200 MA around 48.80, so Southwest should have some short-term support here. We'll see if these levels hold. Really, this pattern is not a good one, though, so it really needs to hold up around this level. Let's go over to CELG, biotech name. CELG is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $75.60, closed at $74.43. So again, CELG upticking just a little bit, but not doing all that much. This stock has definitely been on the weaker side lately. So again, we'll be a little bit cautious with it. If it gets down to around $68.50, I think there could be some short-term support there. So keep that on the radar today for CELG a little bit later. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting a little bit of a bounce, up $3.40 at $1,234.70 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, GLD, you'll see that's trading at 116.61, basically right where it closed. Then you have crude oil today up 39 cents, trading at $67.22 a barrel. When I look at the USO right now today, that is trading at $14.23, uptick from $14.04 at the close yesterday. So crude oil upticking a little bit, gold is upticking just a touch, and we'll see how this all plays out. But again, we are in for another volatile session when it's all said and done. So be ready. Great trading opportunities out here, especially in the morning. You get some really, really good action in a lot of different names. We got tons of stocks, tons of companies reporting earnings. So again, we're going to look to have another blockbuster day like we did yesterday. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over and trade alongside of us. Take a 7-day free trial to that intraday stock chat. Like I said, 2018 has been a blockbuster, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. Have a great trading session, and we will see you all on the charts.